What's the meaning of coin box? Coin box. Coin box.
Coin box. Coin box. A coin box is a container used to collect coins. It can come in various sizes and shapes, from a small piggy bank to a large vending machine. Coin boxes are commonly found in places such as stores, laundromats, and parking lots where coins are accepted as payment. The purpose of a coin box is to store and protect the collected coins until they are removed by the owner or operator. Some coin boxes may also have a mechanism to count the coins inserted and provide a total amount.